Hey guys, Kyle at Great Vacs again. In today's video we're going to show you how to change out the outer cloth bag on a Kirby vacuum cleaner. Alright guys, let's get started. The only tool you'll need is a pair of needle nose pliers. The first thing you want to do is unzip the bag and disconnect the fill tube from the restraint right here if you haven't done so already. And this is where the needle nose pliers come into play. You got this more advanced zip tie that holds the outer cloth bag onto the fill tube, or on the boot in this case. So you want to take your needle nose pliers and get underneath the zip tie and simply turn it off like that, and it'll pop off like so. Once that is out of the way, there's this flap that is folded over, so we need to get that undone. So once you get that unfolded, just go ahead, keep working it like so. Hey, look at that. Took a matter of seconds to be off. Okay, once that is done, you can simply just pull it off. Once that is off, you got your fill tube here, and then put the new one on. Reverse process, just want to feed it in. Make sure the zipper is facing the back side. You're just going to want to get the slip over the boot. Just need to stretch it over the lip of the boot. Once that is done, you got this flap. You just got to fold it back over. Pretty much once you get started, as you work around it, it'll just kind of fall into place. Make sure everything's lined up. Yep, okay, and then take the zip tie, go ahead and install it, make sure it's on this lower part right here. And then before you push it in all the way, just make sure it's on correctly. And then just keep pushing it. And just like that, you replace the outer cloth bag on your Kirby vacuum cleaner. We do sell replacement outer cloth bags, so if you need one, links for purchase will be in the description below. Or if you want help, go ahead and send us an email at service@greatvacs.com and we'll assist you. Pretty easy process. All you need is a pair of needle nose pliers, and you just pop the zip tie off, take the bag off, put the new one back on, zip tie it back on, and you're good to go. Alright, that's gonna be it for this video. If you liked it, you know what to do. If you want to stay up to date with all our new videos, go ahead and subscribe and click that bell button. Here at Great Vacs, we service thousands of Kirby vacuum cleaners. So if you need any help or need any assistance, go ahead and send us an email at service@greatvacs.com and we'll get you all squared away. And don't forget, we sell many parts and supplies for Kirby vacuums. If you need anything, go ahead and check out our website's link in the video description below. And as always, thanks for watching.